Obofour, for the first time, I've liked his preaching. Yes, say, I'm from Hunyan Safo and Nanyamefo. Sir, ka Obofour Sam and this Sabe, Bonnier Kosu or Minima, Yankopon, Ebufushe, so she a bomb so.
Yaba Yena, ya what you had done, Cassia, where you see her. A good diner Nimase. I'm a whole stadium who see Ghana, so you're more bored. Nanyaba Yena, do Korowa. But you have a radiatum, Shenyamian say, so Huna Ponchakas and G. And Yaba Yena Yawa, Kash, African Koran, Namusio Sunan, Sio, Yirifa Womo, and Nam Libya desert near Kumbiri and Emma. When I am Shishia, who club for woo, and Namusio Su would say, I'm our Yaman Shishu, when a mother hotel, Papa, Nanya Buana Yawa, when you Buana, you keep before. I'll tell you, Sama, take trouble tongue at you, and Sio Puamo, sorry, can I acquire several pen for Kawa with me who won't take.
Baye pa, ope Baye Pro Maxa, a Ghanaian politician. Ope Baye 4 pa, a Ghanaian politician. And then Baye ni say, obi kwaso na me say no, Ghana for no. Aye, politicians no. Hey, me say, weekends, oko to send ya Ghana for politicians. Omo spreading mayi, omo kuta cast, omo spreading mayi sika. We yam meshe sika esa kwani kwase factory mo bi no. Or the akwahwe obato. Omo ka ho na mani yom to no. Ghana for politicians ka ho na mani yom to shape no. Me we na projects no. Ya ye na si ho. Ye yusu aban from ba Jimmy 70. Ye say mekoya ye beka se we na ye na ayedie ye Jimmy ya na ka ayedie. MPP na ba na NDC to aso a. Is it not the same country? But your NDC for some we foreigners ana. MPP are they foreigners? Are they all not Ghanaians? Ghana sika waje. Na kwesi ade amaya. Na me ba na me to aso anka ne fekra ne sen. Ye Obofour osi affordable houses ni na ye nkura dan. Osi 38 military hospital Kumasi wana kwhwe ensuo buna ma say Ghana sika me no sika ene MPP aban na woso bisa say it project out there wo de ndom amade kwa na mpesa wo ya which I don't even find it sensible ya find say Obofour de no ye no why not completing it was constitution no any checks and balances it doesn't it's only in writing principle it does not the oversight the parliament house the president back constitution now say for 50% of your ministers from the parliament it will gagium they can't talk. Hello, I Xposed GH from Bruce. Every program I still may continue me say chada we into na my jackaka. Me a Ghanaian, we a Ghanaian na. And me when you hear so a Ghanaian. Because Ghana for baby I kwani dey ya Ghana for say be yin be wu. Reverend Obofour, for the first time I've liked his preaching. Yes say I'm from Hunyan Safo and Nanyamefo. Say ka Obofour Sam ene sabe Bonnier Kosu or Minima Yankopon Ebufushe so she a bomb so the anger of God will come upon them. Metia the preaching. Now he's talking about the vices in the society. Some of yam penny for a bomb dia beduha. You go to a video nimra.
Me na me catch you. You a member of parliament or you bayfo. You a teacher ni bayfo. You a DC bayfo. Our no crowd ye Jimmy ka obinko dia ba mu nwia sika nkogu abrochire. Na nkora etwa nsuo ne ko school na nsuo afa owo bayi enti oni abadaye oni team o ye pe o ya adamo ni kasika yedi si toilet obi fa ntwe ticket mu oba na ne communicators me defend say wa ya obi so nye bia na bayi adokoro wa man no die nyina ye hwesei ene nsuo adaachi ebe nom sei ubia wano kan bi pe osofo Obofour MPP na woso na wakan bi dia wo ya NDC ni ebenya Ghana ni abayi adokoro no a ni Jimmy afro patam na be dimatem abe kansa ma be twatro gumeso adentia ofiri party num waka Galamsey asem nsu a esey a enipa kidney say dialysis ye ntimi nya no ni nua be wu bi ono so be wu anche wu atwe de ba konforo correct but then ya me boss be ye de ono de ne ye Jimmy yes oba be dimatem oborofo no gina mu fasika no ese wo man no mintimi nka because o asrafo atwa ne ho ahia oba ba ba chiu agu animas ebe dwane agya said ye dwane gya yesu ti asofo na gye o musika na o bagya pade na bayi lead o man no na sha wonya bayifu a kelipa gu hospital da kolebu e ma akọ wo o da fam na de o man sika ma o se fa ye ba bia na Ghana stadium aye bobo yetimi ye din firim gu o man ani ma se ye mo ball biem nya bayi na ye wa timi hwe dan kasie we ye si ho egu dan na nim ase a whole stadium si Ghana so ye mo ball na nya bayi na adokoro wa obetia ha awurade anim hwe nyame anim sei se wo hu na ponche akase na ntwie enya bayi na ye wa cash African crowd na munsuo so na nsuo yiri fa wo mo enam Libya desert ni ye kumbi ni ye ne ma eda woni ayam hyehye wo kromufuo wu enam nsuo so wu sei ama wo yam hyehye woni ma da hotel papa na nya boa na ye wa wonya boa na wo ye kimifo a how dare you Sama eti dwomu tonwade nsuo bu wo mo sori twane ka kwanya sem wo pemfo akwawu a wotimi wu won tika se nipa na wu na ba yenti atese wo man no mu a wonya baifo na wo ye bofo a batan ya kra na wo ma wiase da na wu and you are happy you call yourself DC you call yourself mayor you call yourself member of parliament member of parliament my vote you don't deserve to be a leadership. It is by accidentally that you have assumed that office. It is time that we have to speak truth to power. Before now, what no so what to abano that useless person and about to abama se be MPBM. Nipa 50 city team to the vote. Oni achichiri a won ante na dwena dane tirimo ye pe. Na abo no kra no nyansa cha because kokokwa obeduru. Witchcraft. And you don't have to be waited upon any person to care for yourself.
It's true.
Because they don't care about you.
It's true. It's true. It's true.
Who cares?
No one. No one. No one. No one. No one.
Obofour ne ebe kire no. Hey, kire me wiane me kire wanajo. Wutimi kire me koto. Wo ba kire me de ai. Medi ba. Awi osika.
Debi.
Wa ma me adwuma bi samenye. Se me yi gata de mafaska.
Debi.
Wo kire me akansa so na anifura ba kire wo. Wo betimi a kire me ne.
Jesus.
But the kire de kota mframa de kura tumi no.
Jesus.
Eno so ba kire wo. Wo manyira ba ye kokanfo. Wo ba wasesa boba. Wo ba breko sesa obawu. Fa police ne court to kire me. Ba wo ba bre wo ba bodam. Ni patete no bi ampie fe wo nanamuda. Wo di be tram.
Jesus name.
No fear by Yamanfo. Mark my words.
Jesus name.
Me sure the obetimi ya komuni padiano. The obese wakran. Kira me na. Na the osuma me be kira o kira.
Amen.
How dare you?
Ya bre. God bless you.
We a member of parliament when you abre yam bande be ye me a mo be ye so wo de na me board wo de ya cancel by you board them about China.
Thank you.
Because what they are Jimmy by you.
No.
Some members of parliament.
I say, you can say Baye pa, open Baye Pro Maxa, a Ghanaian politician. Open Baye 4 pa, a Ghanaian politician. And then Baye ni say, Obi question na me say no, Ghana for no. Aye, politicians no. Hey. Me say weekends ukwa to send ya Ghana for politicians omo spreading mayi omo nkuta cars omo spreading mayi sika wo ye mehyew sika esa nkwani ko se factory mo bi no o de akwhwe obato omo ka ho na mani yom to no Ghana for politicians ka ho na mani yom to no shape no because shape no na timi giska sanya to kese tie no sa ni so ne be mawo to kese ne $1 or row na ba kwa $5,000 masa enye sa pa anka uba be ka che me se omanya yewo mu no niema bia esi ye no ye nye a minim se be bo Ghana because 7 ebe ha me crop for binti And then kidney, it's on the rise. Those time kidney now in TB or Canada. Why is kidney on the rise? Because of Galamsey. The authority of Ghana is vested in one person, the president. Why is he not acting? Obibi said, like I said, why? How do you want him to act? I want him to act decisively. Me and Nana Akufuado, President Michiao, and now we catch that military command say go and shoot the Galamsey people. I'll support you because they are the first people who killed us. She said Ghana won't exist if say in the next 50 years there wouldn't be any country called Ghana. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Nyama esi ekwa Jessica yesi ye be we ye be na projects no ya ye na si ho ye yusu aban from ba Jimmy 70 yesi mekwaya ye be kase we na ye na ayede ye Jimmy ya na ka ayede MPP na by the NDC to as well. Is it not the same country? But your NDC for some foreigners and MPP are they foreigners? Are they all not Ghanaians? Ghana sikawaje na kwesi adia maya na me bana me to as well can ne fekra ne sen. Yewu akufuo osi affordable houses ni na ye nkura dan. Osi 38 military hospital Kumasi kwana kwhwe ensuo buna ma say Ghana sika me no sika and the MPP abai na waso bisa say it's project out there and John Muhammad dey kwa na pesa wo ya which I don't even find it sensible your friend say yewura Kufuor dey no ye no why not completing it. Now say no because say it's in the constitution say or by so real project. So why are they? Because the constitution doesn't enforce the president enough. Your problems now you want say we have given too much power to the presidency. Bogus power and money dictatorial okay and can be. To me asabi ya di mo bia oya de enye cross e no na me because obi antimi cheke no na me ka say oman we ye ni nyansa nkofo ntia how do you give such power to one person? And I'm not talking about MPP alone. I'm talking about since 92 say the bane of Ghana's problem is the constitution. The bane of our problem, that is the constitution. Because constitution, you know, any checks and balances, it doesn't. It's only in writing. Principle, it does not. The oversight, the parliament house, the president bar, constitution now say for 50% of your ministers from the parliament, it will agagium. They can't talk. Why should we even be parliament based on what? Party politics. Yeah, Imra Amagana. Why should it be based on MPP NDC? And then I say, Obi or Pepe Biano or Timiko no Kwasham Ramaye. Say you can you why should it be what? MPP NDC? For what? Ade? Why should it be NDC MPP? Say yes, I know way too much. If we are doing politics service to the nation, anybody can be a politician. And yes, we are parliamentarian. Why are they doling out such money? And then the Constitution of Ghana. And then Mimira Nana Kwambe. I say I am coming to change the Constitution. I say Constitution now I hear albatross around Ghana's neck and I'm going to change it. I want to say, wow, that is the man I'm talking about. That is the man. Why you bold enough? Also, a constitution now. What's the constitution? I'm for Ghana and baby. And it's true. For the first time, I tell politician, Nana Kwame Bediako, I say this bogus constitution, it won't take Ghana anywhere. Because 1992, the events were different. JJ was exiting. No, so I need to know a constitution. We all know. But are you telling me? Say you were for a lawyer. Atta Mills tried to change it. They killed him. I'm say sign us you be fan sir you are mama waba Obofour who a lawyer human don't you see anything wrong with the constitution? Wow. I just said you Obofour 4 years now coming now you use it to change the dynamics of the constitution if you truly love Ghana. The powers of the presidency is too much and you know it. Obofour, you know it. I don't have to tell you. You are more knowledgeable, you know. Why are you not doing it? Is it because you're enjoying it? Ghana, wake up. Wake up. Media debi ame say, me a Ghanaian. Na wonsu ye Ghanaian na ebi na ye Ghanaian. By Ghana ni pa dia. Me catch on the 7th to my new force. Nana kwa mediako. Because ono pe any obi amate so kase oba obesisa constitution no. It's not about me. It's not about you, it's about Ghana. Se Ghana ye dia. Ghana di ya mesuma di ye, wonso di ye. Ghana bra ye bra ye ni NDC prepare meter, ye ni MPP prepare meter. Ye nyina ye tuye sika. Enti ye nja sa stupid politics na ye no. Me ya nwunani, me ya NDC ni. Me ya santini, me ya MPP ni stupid things. Vote based on what you hear the person say. Competence. Is the person talking sense? And you're sensible, I don't do it. But maybe there, one man who is talking my language, who is saying, I am coming to change the dynamics of Ghanaian society. I'm coming to change the economy of Ghanaian society. And that man is Nana Kwame Bediako. And that is the person I want you to vote for. On the 7th, so 1, 2, Bano Amma, the new force, and over Ghana, bro. The youth, rise up. I'm very, very, very happy. Say, yeah, you are more body yeso. More body yeso. More catch say it's time for Ghanaian youth to rise again. We'll rise. We'll rise. And we'll take Ghana back. Because baby Ghana do know. It's time for Ghana to be what? To be called the shining star of Africa again. It begins with me and you on the 7th. Don't make mistake. Forget about MPP, NDC. Vote for the new force. Obi say, na Francois, oh yeah, and extension of MPP, Unima make catcher, forget him. Vote for new force. Nana Kwame Bediako. Otua, Yamibe Shao. I Xposed GH. FM Bembros, I'm out.